Welcome, my name is REALME X3 SuperZoom, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. Now to get started, we will need a SIM ejector. I have one right here. Now this comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can use just the paper clip. And from there you wanna pop out the tray, which will be located at the bottom of the phone. So right over here, simply push it in and you will see that the tray pops out, and then here you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. Now you don't have to occupy both of them, you can just choose one, it doesn't really matter which side, and from there just insert it back into the device, like so, and you should shortly after see that it's working. Now for me it's gonna pop up with the pin, which should be right about now. There we go. So there's the pin for it, and once I unlock it, everything will be working. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.